Welcome to the Kolkata interior, where low cost meets modern interior. Today, we are taking you inside stunning to BHK flat to explore how the perfect interior design transforms at budget of 5 lakhs. Did you know that you can transform 2 BHK flat into stylish heaven for just 5 lakhs? Let's discover how. In this video, you'll learn effective tips and tricks for designing a 2 BHK flat on budget of 5 lakhs, ensuring you create a beautiful and functional space. So, whether you're moving into a new place or just looking to refresh your current home, stick around. Presentation of problem challenge. Many homeowners struggle with limited budgets when it comes to interior design. It can feel a bit overwhelming, right? You walk into store and suddenly you're hit with best choices, each one more expensive than the last. On top of that, you might be unsure of where to start. Should you prioritize furniture, decoration, or maybe even paint? And let's not forget about those pesky hidden costs that pop up when you least expect them. All of this can make the process feel daunting, especially when you're trying to create a cozy, stylish home at a low budget. But fear not. We are here to tackle these challenges together. Now, let's dive into the reality many of us face. A lot of people struggle with creating an inviting living space in small homes while staying within limited budget. You know, it's tough when you want your home to reflect your style, but every time you look at the prices of furniture and decor, it feels like your wallet is screaming for mercy. And let's be honest, with the rising cost of living, it's challenging to juggle expenses and still manage to create a space that feels like home. So, how do we tackle this issue and make our small spaces feel warm and welcoming? That's what we are here to find out. Exploration development. We'll explore cost-effective strategies to make the most out of your budget. First off, let's talk about materials. Opting for materials that offer durability without hefty price tag can be game changer. Think about using laminate instead of solid wood or exploring affordable tiles that mimic the look of natural stone. Next, let's maximize the space. Use multifunctional furniture like sofa bed or a coffee table with storage. Not only do they save space, but they also add practicality to your home. And when it comes to decor, remember that style doesn't have to be expensive. Incorporate DIY projects, thrift store finds, or even customized furniture. You'll be surprised at how much character and charm you can add without spending a fortune. We'll also touch on color schemes later on, but trust me, a fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Alright, let's explore some practical design tips that won't hurt your wallet. First off, let's talk about using cost-effective materials. You don't always need expensive hardwood or branded plywood to make a space look good. Consider using solid hardwood or thin Mr. Grade plywood that mimic the look of wood or stone but are way easier on the budget. Next up, you can get creative with paint. A fresh coat of paint can completely change the vibe of a room. Opt for lighter colors to make your space feel bigger and brighter. Climax key moment. Now, here comes the exciting part. Imagine walking into a transformed to BHK flat, all done up beautifully within the budget. We are talking about space that reflects your personality and style while still being functional. We'll showcase some jaw-dropping before and after visuals that will surely inspire your creativity. Picture this: dull, lifeless rooms morphing into vibrant, inviting spaces. You'll see how the right arrangement of furniture, the clever use of colors, and some strategic decor choices can turn an ordinary flat into a stunning home. It's proof that with bit of creativity and the right approach, you can achieve an incredible transformation on budget. Now, here comes the key insight. One of the best ways to make a significant impact on your small home design is to incorporate versatile furniture and smart storage solutions. For example, think about coffee table that can also serve as dining table for those cozy dinners at home. Or, how about bed with built-in drawers to store extra linens or clothes? These kinds of solutions are game changers. They not only save space but also provide a touch of elegance and practicality to your home. Remember, it's all about being smart with what you have, and these versatile pieces can really elevate your space. Conclusion summary. To wrap up, let's summarize the main tips we discussed today. Focus on selecting durable materials, maximizing your space with multifunctional furniture, and don't shy away from DIY projects or thrift finds. Remember, a limited budget doesn't mean sacrificing quality or style. With the right